Welcome to this video on Python Turtle Graphics, where code becomes art. Today we'll go on a journey from writing your very first line of code to creating your first digital masterpiece. Code is like a paintbrush, and your computer screen is the canvas. With Turtle Graphics in Python, you can draw pictures by giving simple commands to a tiny turtle on the screen. As the turtle moves, it leaves a line behind, just like a pen. Think of the turtle as a little robot. You tell it where to go and how to turn, and it follows your instructions exactly. Every command you write turns into a visible drawing. This is a fun way to learn how programming works. To start, we'll use a website called Trinket. It lets us write Python code in a web browser, so there's nothing to install. Here's what you do. 1. Open your web browser and go to trinket.io. 2. Sign in. You can use an account you already have, like Google. 3. Create a new Python trinket. This gives you a blank space where you can write your code. This blank space is your digital studio. Now let's write our first turtle code. Every turtle program usually begins with 3 important lines. First, we write import turtle. This brings in the turtle tools so we can use them in our program. Next, we create our turtle, me, Ixo's turtle. Here we are making a turtle and giving it the name me. This is the turtle we will control. At the end of our program, we add turtle done. This keeps the drawing window open so we can see our finished picture after the code runs. Once our turtle exists, we can teach it to move. To move forward, we use forward distance. The word distance is how far we want it to go. For example, forward 100 moves the turtle forward 100 steps. To move backward, we use backward distance. For example, backward 50 moves the turtle 50 steps backwards. We can also turn the turtle. Left angle turns it to the left by a number of degrees. For example, left 90 turns the turtle 90 degrees left. Right angle turns it to the right. For example, right 90 turns it 90 degrees right. By combining moves and turns, we can draw any path we like. Let's draw our very first line. We write import turtle, me il turtle, me dot forward 100, turtle, done. The turtle starts in the center, faces to the right, and moves forward 100 units. On the screen, you'll see a straight horizontal line. Next, we'll draw a square. A square has 4 equal sides, and each corner is a 90-degree turn. We can write the code the long way. Import turtle, me x turtle, me dot forward 100, meet left 90, meet forward 100, me dot left 90, meet forward 100, me left 90, me forward 100, me left 90, turtle.done. Each pair of commands draws one side and then turns the turtle left 90 degrees. After 4 sides, we get a square. But repeating the same lines again and again is boring. Programmers avoid repetition by using loops. A for loop lets the computer repeat some commands automatically. Instead of writing 8 lines to draw our square, we can write for I in range, for me forward 100, me dot left 90. This tells the turtle, repeat the 2 commands 4 times. The result is the same square, but the code is much shorter and easier to change. We can use the same loop idea to draw many different polygons, not just squares. To draw a regular shape with n sides, we repeat these steps n times. Move forward, then turn by 360 n degrees. For a triangle, n is 3, so the turn angle is 360 setterar, which is 120 degrees. For a square, n is 4, so we turn 90 degrees. For a hexagon, which has 6 sides, we turn 60 degrees. So a triangle looks like, for I in range, 3, me forward, 100, meet left, 120, and a hexagon, for I in range, 6, me forward, 100, me dot left, 60. By just changing the number of sides and the turn angle, we can draw many different shapes. Now let's add color to our art. We can control the color of the lines and the inside of shapes. Pen color, color. changes the color of the line the turtle draws. Fill color, color, it sets the color that will fill the inside of a shape. To actually fill a shape, we use two commands like a sandwich. Begin fill, before we start drawing the shape, and end fill, after we finish. For example, to draw a yellow circle, me.fill color, yellow. Me begin fill. Me.circle, 50. Me.end fill. This makes a circle with yellow filling. We can use many common color names like red, blue, green, yellow, purple, and orange. To create more complex pictures, we must move the turtle around the screen without always drawing. The screen uses a coordinate system with an x-axis and a y-axis, like in math class. The center is at 0. Up and down change the y value, left and right change the x value. To move the turtle without drawing, we use pen up. This lifts the pen off the canvas so the turtle can move freely. To start drawing again, we use pen down. To jump the turtle to a specific position, we use go to x, y. For example, go to 100, 50 review. Moves the turtle to the point where x is 100 and y is 50. By combining pen up, go to, and pen down, we can place shapes exactly where we want them. We can also change the background color of the whole canvas. This helps set the mood of our artwork. First, we create the screen. Screen equals turtle. Screen. Then we set its background color. Screen.bg color, dark blue. And we can choose any color name we like, such as vol light gray or us black. Now it's time to put everything together and create a complete picture. We set up the screen and choose a background color. Create our turtle and maybe speed it up. Use loops to draw a hexagon, a square, and a triangle. Use pen up, go to, and pen down to position each shape in a different place. Use pen color, fill color, begin fill, and end fill to give each shape its own color. Finally, we hide the turtle and call turtle.done. The result is a simple scene, a glowing hexagon, a colored square, and a bright triangle on a dark background. This is your first turtle masterpiece, created entirely with code. By now, you have learned many key ideas of creative coding. You can give direct commands to control movement and direction. You can use loops to repeat actions without writing the same line many times. You can build complex shapes from simple rules and angles. You can paint with many colors and fill shapes. You can move around the canvas, set a background, and arrange a full scene. This is only the beginning. With these tools, you can draw spirals, patterns, trees, and any design you can imagine. The canvas is now yours. What will you create next with Python Turtle Graphics?